पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यम्
पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यम्
वदामि संस्कृतं सदा
वदामि संस्कृतं सदा
ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक्
ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक्
वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्
वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्
संस्कृतस्य प्रसाराय
संस्कृतस्य प्रसाराय
नैजं सर्वं ददाम्यहम्
नैजं सर्वं ददाम्यहम्
संस्कृतस्य सदा भक्तो
संस्कृतस्य सदा भक्तो
वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्
वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्
संस्कृतस्य कृते जीवन्
संस्कृतस्य कृते जीवन्
संस्कृतस्य कृते यजन्
संस्कृतस्य कृते यजन्
आत्मानमत्कृतं मन्ये
आत्मानमाहुतं मन्ये
वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्
वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्
वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्
वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्
A little bit of recap of what we learned. So don't worry about Vande Vande Te. We will recap now. It should be easy. We have learned Parasmaipati Rupam, Gacchati, Gacchataha, Gacchanti, Gacchasi, Gacchataha, Gacchata, Gacchami, Gacchavaha, Gacchamaha. So the corresponding Atmanepati Rupam, Vanda, if we take as the dhatu, would be Vandate, Vandete, Vandante, Vandase, Vandete, Vandadve, Vande, Vandavahe, Vandamahe. So how would this result? This will be Saha Yatate, Saha Vandate, Tau Yatete, Tau Yatete, Te Yatante. Te yatante. It's like saha vandate, tau vandete, te vandante. Similarly, when you use aham, aham vande, right? Aham mataram vande, vande mataram. So aham yate, avam yatavahe, vayam yatamahe. So aham vande, avam vandavahe, vayam vandamahe. So we did some activities on that. So the difference between Parasmaipadi and Atmanepadi, Nama or Vanda, both have the same meaning. So if you say Sishyaha Namati or Sishyaha Vandate, the meaning does not change. It's just two ways of expressing the same thing. So Sishyaha Namati will be Parasmaipadi. Shishyaha Vandate will be Atmanepadi. Shishyau Namataha or Sishyau Vandete. Sishyaha Namanti or Sishyaha Vandante. Both mean the same thing. One is Parasmaipadi, one is Atmanepadi. We also learnt about the use of kada with respect to time. Ekavadanam, Dvivadanam, Trivadanam, Chaturvadanam. So where some of the alphabets slightly change is what we observed here. We learnt about Sapada. Sapada is 6:15 in this case. Sapada Shadvadanam, Sapada Saptavadanam, Sapada Ashtavadanam. Pada means quarter, Sapada is in addition to Pada. Sarda. We learned that we should remember Ardha is half, Ardhanarishwara. Sarda is you add half to it. So Sarda Trivadanam is 3 hours and 30 minutes or 3 half past 3. 45, just as how we use in other languages, we say it is quarter to the next number. So in this case, Padona Navavadanam. Una means lesser. Padona means quarter lesser than the next number. In this case, it will be Padona Navavadanam. We could also use phrases like Adiga and Nyona, Dasha Adiga, Dashavadanam, Vimshati Adiga, Dashavadanam, so on and so forth. So Panchavadanam, Sapada Panchavadanam, Sarda Panchavadanam, Padona Shadvadanam. Any questions on all this? Everybody clear till now? Spashtam asti kim?
Spashtam asti.
Spashtam.
So the only place where you have different changes here is highlighted. Ekam becomes Ekavadanam. It is not the im will go off. Ekavadanam. Dve will become Dvivadanam. Trini will be Trivadanam. The ni will be dropped out. Chatvari will be Chaturvadanam. So those are some things you should remember. After that is a straightforward. Panchavadanam, Shadvadanam, Saptavadanam, Ashtavadanam, Navavadanam, Dashavadanam. So Satishaha Prataha Shadvadane Uttishtati. Satishaha Pratakale Shadvadane Uttishtati. Raj Mahodayah, Bhavan Kada Uttishtati?
Aham Prata Kale Sapada Shadvadane Uttishtami.
Sapada Shadvadane Uttishtami. Uttamam. Uttamam. Raji, Bhavati Kada Uttishtati?
Aham Pratakale Sarda Chaturvadanam Uttishtami.
Sarda Chaturvadane Uttishtami.
Sarda Chaturvadane Uttishtami.
Idanim pashatu, yada aham Raj Mahodayam prishtavati, Bhavan kada uttishtati. Yada aham Rajim prishtavati, Bhavati kada uttishtati. Bhavan, Bhavati. Sushi Bhagini, Bhavati kada uttishtati? Mute. Sushi Bhagini, Bhavati mute madhye asti.
Aham Pratakale Padona Shatvadane Uttishtami.
Aham Pratakale Padona Shadvadane Uttishtami. Atah Vadane iti prashne bhavati. Uttare Pratakale Shadvadane Uttishtami. Aham iti karna Uttishtami iti bhavati. Agre pashyantu. Saha dash snanam karoti. Saha prashnaha kim bhavati. Saha kada snanam karoti. Saha kada snanam karoti. Kala Bhagini, Bhavati kada snanam karoti?
Aham Pratakale Ashtavadane Snanam Karomi.
Aham Pratakale Ashtavadane Snanam Karomi. Idanim chintetu ekah balakah asti. Balakah kada snanam karoti? Uttaram kadam bhavati. Balakah kada snanam karoti?
Balakah
Saha
Vadatu, Kopi vadatu, Kala Bhagini vadatu.
सः पञ्चवादने प्रातःकाले पञ्चवादने स्नानं करो बालः
करोति करोति
करोति करोति सरलं भवति। इदानीं पश्यतु, कला भगिनी 8 एव स्नानं करोति, बालकः 5 स्नानं करोति।
That's the number which came to my mind. I'm sorry.
प्रातःकाले 5 स्नानं करोति। अस्तु, बालकः करोति, अहं करोमि। इदानीं सः किं करोति? नीना भगिनी, सः कदा स्नानं करोति? म्यूट्।
अहम् 8 स्नानं करोति।
अहम् 8 स्नानं करोमि। बालकः कदा स्नानं करोति? बालकः
what is also?
अपि।
Pardon?
अपि। बालकः
अपि 8 स्नानं करोमि।
बालकः अपि 8 स्नानं करोति। बालकः करोति, करोमि, अहं करोमि। अस्तु, इदानीं सः 6:30 पूजयति अथवा पूजां करोति। पूजां करोति। स्वामीनाथ महोदय, भवान् कदा पूजां करोति?
अहं प्रातःकाले 7 पूजां करोमि।
अहं प्रातःकाले 6 पूजां करोमि। उत्तमम्। सुधा भगिनी, भवती कदा पूजां करोति?
अहं प्रातःकाले 6:30 पूजां करोमि।
उत्तमम्। इदानीम् अहम् उत्तरं वदामि, भवन्तः प्रश्नं पृच्छतु। अहम् उत्तरं वदामि, भवन्तः प्रश्नं पृच्छन्तु। इदानीं सुरेशः 8 विद्यालयं गच्छति। सुरेशः 8 विद्यालयं गच्छति। प्रश्नं पृच्छतु रेणु भगिनी।
कदा विद्यालये गच्छति?
सुरेशः कदा विद्यालयं गच्छति? प्रश्नः कदा विद्यालयं गच्छति? सुरेशः, अतः गच्छति। उत्तमम्। रामः मध्याह्ने 12:30 भोजनं स्वीकरोति। प्रश्नः, रामः कदा भोजनं स्वीकरोति? इदानीम् अहम् उत्तरं वदामि, भवन्तः प्रश्नं पृच्छतु। सीता 1 मध्याह्ने भोजनं स्वीकरोति। प्रश्नं पृच्छतु।
सीता कदा भोजनं करोति?
सीता कदा भोजनं करोति? रमेशः प्रातःकाले 10 योगासनं करोति। प्रश्नं पृच्छतु।
रमेशः कदा प्रातःकाले योगासनं करोति?
कदा योगासनं करोति? पर्याप्तं। कदा योगासनं करोति? उत्तरं प्रातःकाले 10 11
Pravina Guru, is there a difference between kada is when? Is there a way of saying what time?
समयः कदा इति प्रष्टुं शक्यते।
Thank you.
And Pravina, what is the difference between svikaroti and karoti? When do you use svikaroti?
Svikaroti is takes, karoti is does.
Svikaroti is accept.
Swikaram pandrathu. Svikarikal. Got it.
Taking it, accepting it, etc. Astu. In fact, when a child is adopted also they say, right? Svikara putri.
Svikara. But we can also say bhojanam karoti.
Bhojanam karoti. Has food.
So here it says Bhojanam
Pravina
Swikaroti
Guru.
is understood.
Pravina, I have one this thing. See, we have two this things, kutra and kutaha. So kutra is just where and kutaha is from where.
Correct.
Is
We
it?
will go through each question in a moment.
Okay,
We will do
okay.
kada at this point of time. We will recollect
Okay.
every questions in the subsequent slides.
Okay, thank you.
सः सायङ्काले सार्धचतुर्वादने गृहम् आगच्छति. सः सायङ्काले सार्धचतुर्वादने गृहम् आगच्छति. सुजाता भगिनी, भवती कदा गृहम् आगच्छति?
सः अहं सायंकाले 5 वादने गृहम् आगच्छामि.
अहं सायङ्काले 5 वादने गृहम् आगच्छामि. उत्तमं. श्रद्धा भगिनी, भवती कदा गृहम् आगच्छति?
अहं सायंकाले 6 वादने गृहम्
आगच्छामि. आगच्छामि. अस्तु. एतादृशं प्रश्नमपि पृच्छतु. केवलम् उत्तरं न, प्रश्नं पृष्ट्वा उत्तरं भवति चेत् सरलं भवति सम्भाषणम्. अस्तु, अग्रे गच्छामः. We discussed the conversation slides the other day. Did you all attempt to use some of the techniques to form sentences? Were you able to practice on that? I know it was a tight week. Were you able to practice? Okay. We will practice it now so that you know how to go ahead with it as you go and practice in your groups. Astu? Aham idanim kinchit tasmin vishaye vadami. We'll start from here. Idanim Madhavaha nasti, Priya asti. Priya Karyalayam gacchati. Priya kutra gacchati?
Priya Karyalayam
Priya no, I'm starting from Karyalayam. Priya Karyalayam gacchati. Priya Karyalayatah Vittakosham gacchati. Priya Karyalayatah kutra gacchati?
Priya Karyalayatah
Vittakosham gacchati.
Karyalayatah Vittakosham gacchati. Idanim prashnah Priya kutah Vittakosham gacchati? Priya Karyalayatah. Kutah. Prashnah kutah. Idanim aham prashnam.
I didn't get that.
Kutah, from where? Kutah Karyalayatah. Idanim Anu Bhagini bhavati vadatu. Priya Bhojanalayatah Pustakalayam gacchati. Priya kutah kutra gacchati?
Priya Bhojanalayatah Pustakalay Paryantam gacchati.
Bhojanalayatah Pustakalaya Paryantam gacchati. So kutah, from where? Idanim Ganga Nadi Himalayatah Pravahati. Ganga Nadi kutah pravahati?
Himalayatah pravahati.
Pravahati. Agachati. Flows. Agachati. Aham Singapore-tah sambhashanam karomi. Aham kutah sambhashanam karomi? Pravina Bhagini.
Pravina Bhagini, Singapore.
सः
संभाषणं
करोति.
Swaminatha Mahodayah कुतः सम्भाषणं करोति?
स्वामिनाथ महोदयः US-तः सम्भाषणं करोति।
अमेरिकादेशतः सम्भाषणं करोति। रेणु भगिनी कुतः सम्भाषणं करोति?
So it will be said.
रेणु भगिनी लुधियाना भाषणे करोति।
रेणु भगिनी लुधियानातः सम्भाषणं करोति।
Can we say Ludhiana नगरे तः भाषणं करोति?
नगरतः
लुधियाना नगरतः भाषणं करोति।
नगरात्, both are correct. नगरात् सम्भाषणं करोति. That's also
okay.
Pravina Bhagini, when you asked aham, from where I gave this lecture, can we say tvam? You can't.
Yeah, tvam will be, yes, you can use tvam provided it's a friendly conversation. Aham is a respectable conversation.
Okay.
Yeah.
The neenga difference ma.
Amma.
Okay.
Tvam na ni, aham bhavati na ninga.
Okay.
श्रद्धा भगिनी कुतः सम्भाषणं करोति?
श्रद्धा भगिनी पुणे नगरे तः भाषणं करोति।
पुणेतः अथवा पुणे नगरतः। पुणे नगरे तः इति न आगच्छति।
नगरतः।
उत्तमं। सर्वे अवगतवन्तः खलु? कुतः प्रश्नः कुतः? किम्? इदानीं सप्तककारः एकवारं वदामः। किं?
क्षम्यतां प्रवीणा भगिनी, वित्तकोशः, I think Raji wanted to know the meaning. Is it library or is it university?
Vittakoshah is library.
Library.
Pustakалaya is also library.
Yes. Granthalayam is also library.
Yeah.
Dhanyavadah Bhagini.
Dhanyavadah. Vittakoshah is
I think bank.
It should. Sorry. Yeah. Pustaka. I was thinking of
Vittakosha is bank.
Bank.
It's a bank.
Vitta is money. Vitta is money.
Yeah. Kosha basically means like, you know, a repository. So you can use kosha with basically anything. Vittakosha is a place where you have a lot of money. So,
that is bank only.
Yeah, it's a bank. You're right. I was reading some other sentence while I was saying this. Sorry about it. Okay. So let's move on to the other questions now. Kim. So let's recollect the Saptakakara once before we go ahead with the conversations. Saptakakaraha, 7 types of questions. Kim kutra kati kada?
Kim kutra kati kada?
Kutaha katam kimartam?
Kutaha katam kimartam?
Militva ekavaram. Kim kutra kati kada?
Kim kutra kati kada?
Kutaha katam kimartam?
Kutaha katam kimartam?
Idanam kim iti sthane.
Kaha doesn't come into this.
Kim is kaha.
Kim iti sthane. Ekanimsham. Kim iti sthane. Kaha, ka. All these are just the gender differences. So you're representing it with the word kim. So kaha will be the singular. Kaha, kau, ke will be the plural, right? So kaha, ke, ka, kaha, kim, kani, all these are together represented with the kim. So you can elaborate it that way. Okay. So idanam prashnam prachamaha. Bhavataha nama?
Kim.
Kim. Bhavan dash karoti.
Bhavan kim karoti.
Kim karoti. So all these bhavati.
Kim karoti.
Bhavati kim karoti. Bhavati ka. All these can be very simple sentences using kim. So Mahilayaha naam Sudha. Prashnam.
Mahilaya naam kim?
Mahilayaha naam kim? Balakasya naam Sureshaha.
Balakasya naam kim?
Balakasya naam kim? Vidyalayasya naam Vivekananda Vidyalayah.
विद्यालयस्य नाम किम्?
विद्यालयस्य नाम किम्? मम नाम प्रवीणा।
त्वम नाम किम्?
त्वम नाम किम्?
भवत्याः
भवत्याः नाम
भवत्याः नाम किम्?
भवत्याः नाम किम्? तव नाम किम्? बोथ आर करेक्ट। ओके। माता पाकं करोति।
माता किं करोति?
माता किं करोति? बालकः पुस्तकं पठति।
बालकः किं पठति?
बालकः किं पठति? बालकः किं करोति? द्वयमपि सम्यक् एव। बालकः क्रीडाङ्गनं गच्छति। What will be the question?
बालकः किमर्थं गच्छति?
कुतः?
If you want if you want to use kim, the question has to be balakah kim karoti. You can't use gachati there.
Yes.
So if you want to use gachati, the question will be
kutra gachati.
Okay, can I say kimartam gachati?
No, that is why.
Yeah.
That is why.
For what reason? Kimartam is for what reason?
Yeah. So for what reason has he gone? Is that right or not?
Then we have to expand the answer, right? Kimartam, kridanartam, something like that. Okay. Avagachati kalu, when you will use kim?
Yeah.
Thank you.
So agre pashyamaha.
Putra.
Putra. So we learned atra, tatra, anyatra, sarvatra, ekatra, putra. Ekavaram vadamaha. Atra,
tatra,
anyatra, sarvatra, ekatra, putra. So let us use each of this and form sentences. Aham atra asmi. Aham atra asmi. Lekani janati kalu. Lekani atra asti. Lekani atra asti. Lekani kutra asti? Lekani atra asti. Pustakam atra asti.
पुस्तकं कुत्र अस्ति?
कुत्र अस्ति? पुस्तकं कुत्र अस्ति? पुस्तकं अत्र अस्ति. स्थालिका अत्र अस्ति. स्थालिका कुत्र अस्ति?
स्थालिका अत्र अस्ति.
स्थालिका अत्र अस्ति. वृक्षः तत्र अस्ति. वृक्षः तत्र अस्ति. वृक्षः कुत्र अस्ति?
वृक्षः तत्र अस्ति.
वृक्षः तत्र अस्ति. लेखनी अत्र अस्ति. वृक्षः तत्र अस्ति. वायुः सर्वत्र अस्ति. वायुः सर्वत्र अस्ति. इदानीं लैब्ररी अस्ति. लैब्ररी पुस्तकालयम् अस्ति. तत्र संस्कृतपुस्तकानि एकत्र अस्ति. आङ्ग्लपुस्तकानि एकत्र अस्ति. एकत्र अत्र तत्र अन्यत्र इदानीं देवालयः अस्ति. पार्थसारथी मन्दिरम् अस्ति. पार्थसारथी मन्दिरम् अत्र अस्ति वा?
अन्यत्र
अस्ति. अस्तु. इदानीम् अत्र तत्र अन्यत्र एकत्र सर्वत्र प्रश्नः कुत्र? इदानीं प्रत्येकस्यापि प्रश्नं वयं लेखितुं शक्नुमः. For each of this you can have questions, right? So राधायाः लेखनी तत्र अस्ति, तत्र अस्ति। राधायाः लेखनी अत्र नास्ति, अत्र नास्ति, कुत्र अस्ति? तत्र अस्ति,
अत्र अस्ति,
तत्र अस्ति।
I didn't understand anyatra, Pravina Guru. Can you repeat that?
Elsewhere, elsewhere.
Elsewhere. Okay.
भवत्याः सहोदरः तत्र अस्ति वा? भवत्याः सहोदरः अत्र अस्ति वा?
अत्र अस्ति,
सः अन्यत्र अस्ति, अन्यत्र अस्ति। अस्तु।
Can I say mama sahodara?
आम्,
मम सहोदर अन्यत्र अस्ति।
आम्, अन्यत्र अस्ति। अस्तु। शाटिकाः आपणे सन्ति, शाटिकाः आपणे सन्ति। प्रश्नं पृच्छतु।
शाटिकाः कुत्र सन्ति?
कुत्र सन्ति?
शाटिकाः कुत्र सन्ति? शाटिकाः आपणे सन्ति। आपणे किम् अस्ति?
आपणे टीनगर
अस्ति।
आपणे शाटिकाः
अस्ति।
अवगच्छति खलु? आपणे किम् अस्ति? आपणे शाटिकाः सन्ति।
प्रवीणा गुरु, what is आपणे?
आपणः
yourself.
No, shop.
आपणः शॉप। सो शाटिकाः आपणे सन्ति। आपणे किं सन्ति? आपणे शाटिकाः सन्ति। शाटिकाः कुत्र सन्ति? आपणे। आपणस्य नाम कुमरन् सिल्क्स्। शाटिकायाः आपणस्य नाम कुमरन् सिल्क्स्। अस्तु अस्तु, अग्रे पश्यामः। प्रकोष्ठे 20 जनाः सन्ति। कति? प्रकोष्ठे कति जनाः सन्ति?
कति जनाः सन्ति?
इदानीम् अस्माकं वर्गे कति जनाः सन्ति? कति जनाः सन्ति?
अस्माकं वर्गे 4 जनाः सन्ति।
16 जनाः सन्ति।
वर्गे अस्माकम् इदानीं वर्गे 16 जनाः सन्ति। 16 जनाः सन्ति। उत्तमं। राजी भगिनी, भवत्याः गणे कति जनाः सन्ति?
वर्गे गणे
मम गणे
4। What do you call people? जनाः सन्ति। जनाः।
मम गणे 4 जनाः सन्ति। 4 महिलाः सन्ति। 4 महिलाः सन्ति। अस्तु।
मम गणे 2 जनाः सन्ति।
मम गणे 7
7 जनाः। अस्तु, उत्तमं।
Gane is what? Gane? Group.
Our group.
That is why Ganapati he is the commander of the group. So Ganapati, the leader of the group. Gananam patihi Ganapatihi. Astu. So prashnaha kati. Kada we have already seen. Suryodayah kada bhavati. Pratakale षड्वादने bhavati. सूर्यास्तमनः कदा भवति? संशयः, प्रश्नः कदा? कथम्? आरोग्यं कथम् अस्ति? इदानीं कोरोना कालः, सर्वे तदेव पृच्छन्ति। आरोग्यं कथम् अस्ति?
सम्यक्।
नूतनशाटिका सम्यक् अस्ति। नूतनशाटिका कथम् अस्ति? संस्कृतवर्गः कथम् अस्ति? संस्कृतपठनं कथं चलति? सो प्रश्नः
सम्यक् चलति।
चलति। किमर्थं?
किमर्थं is
what reason?
For what reason?
किमर्थं संस्कृतं पठति?
आनन्दार्थं संस्कृतं, ज्ञानार्थं संस्कृतम्।
अहं ज्ञानार्थं संस्कृतं पठामि, सन्तोषार्थं संस्कृतं पठामि, आनन्दार्थं संस्कृतं पठामि। लक्ष्मी भगिनी, भवती किमर्थं सैकल् याने गच्छति?
अहं व्यायामार्थं सैकल् याने गच्छामि।
उत्तमम्। कला भगिनी, भवती किमर्थं सङ्गीतं गायति?
आनन्दार्थम्।
अहम् आनन्दमार्थं सङ्गीतं गायामि।
सन्तोषार्थम्, आनन्दार्थं सङ्गीतं गायामि। उत्तमम्। राज महोदयः, भवान् किमर्थं ज्योतिषं पठति?
अहम् आनन्दार्थं ज्योतिषं पठामि।
अहम् आनन्दार्थं ज्योतिषं पठामि। प्रश्नः किमर्थं? प्रश्नः किमर्थं? So if you know all this, we explained this concept. I'm just giving you a recap because it's been a week. So we have learned this entire thing. Sahataute, satetaha.
Tattetani.
Yeah. Please be muted. I will explain this concept. Then we will go into the activities again. Sahataute, satetaha, tattetani goes with gacchati, gacchataha, gacchanti. All these are considered as first person in in Sanskritam. Tvam, yuvam, yuyam is the madhyama purushaha. Gacchasi, gacchataha, gacchata. That is the second person. Gacchati, gacchataha, gacchata is actually the third person. Aham, avam, vayam, that is uttama purushaha. We call this as uttama purushaha in Sanskritam. Gacchami, gacchavaha, gacchamaha. So each of this can be used in our sentences. So what we will do now is just take one example as gacchati. So what could be the possible combinations? Balakaha gacchati, eshaha gacchati, saha gacchati. Prashnaha kaha gacchati, bhavan gacchati will be the uttaram. Okay, I'm just recollecting, so I'm a little fast. In case any of you don't follow, just stop me then and there. Similarly, all these which we saw just now are the Pullinga Padam. You can do the same thing as far as Strilingam is concerned. So, Balika gacchati, Esha gacchati, Sa gacchati, Ka gacchati, Bhavati gacchati. So, you can make, many sentences using this combination again for Strilingam. Similarly, you can make sentences using Napumsakalingam where Tat gacchati, Etat gacchati, Vahanam gacchati, Prashnaha kim bhavati, kim gacchati. So, Sushi Bhagini, here if you notice, Kaha, Ka, Kim, all these are combined together in your Prashnam called Kim. Okay, so when it comes to Aham, you'll say Gacchami. So this entire thing is Vartamana Kalaha, which means present tense, Ekavachana Rupam. So it is the singular of the present tense. That is the combination we are seeing. So how do you start creating more sentences? Very easy. Just substitute gacchati with any of the verbs that you have. That is where I said you can use that paper which I shared with you last week. So all the verbs, simple verbs are there in that. Pravesha book also has a list of verbs. I've just given some samples here which you can substitute and practice. Okay. So I will do the first one. Balakaha gacchati, eshaha gacchati, saha gacchati, kaha gacchati, bhavan gacchati. Raji, can you substitute gacchati with agacchati and use the same thing?
Balakaha agacchati, eshaha agacchati, saha agacchati, kaha agacchati, bhavan agacchati.
Uttamam. Swaminathan
Ravina
Mahodaya.
Bhagini, upavishyati means upavishyati.
Sit.
Uttishtati, upavishati.
Gets up, sits down. Okay. Swaminathan Mahodaya, can you do the same thing for Strilingam? Balika gacchati. You're muted.
Balika gacchati, Esha gacchati, Sa gacchati, Ka gacchati, Bhavati gacchati.
Uttam. Sujata Mundrabani for Napunsakalinga.
Tat gacchati, etat gacchati, vahanam gacchati, kim gacchati.
Uttamam. Raj Mahodaya, can you substitute agacchati in these two places? You're muted.
Sorry, which places? Sorry.
Agacchati, can you substitute instead of gacchati and say for Strilingam and Napunsakalingam?
Sure. Balika gacchati, Balika agacchati, Esha agacchati, Sa agacchati, का आगच्छति, भवती आगच्छति. Napunsingligam is
tat agachati,
tat agachati, etat agachati,
vahanam,
here vahanam agachati, kim agachati.
uttamam. So in case it is aham agachami, we know that part. Okay.
Right.
Similarly, we will try substituting patati. Shraddha Bhagini, can you substitute patati and do this entire thing?
बालकः पठति, एषः पठति, सः पठति, कः पठति, भवान् पठति. बालिका पठति, एषा पठति, सा पठति, का पठति, भवती पठति. तत् पठति, एतत् पठति, वाहनं पठति, किं पठति.
Patati. Uttamam. So like this, when we try to aham
पठामि.
Aham patami. Uttamam. So like this, you can try to substitute each of this verb and create very simple two-word sentences, which will increase your vocabulary of verbs to a very large extent. Okay. Now,
Pravina Bhagini, I have this thing. Vahanam is used where? How do we use vahanam?
Vahanam is a vehicle.
Yeah, that's what I thought. It's a vehicle. So
Yeah. Patati
okay.
is just for practice. Don't worry.
Okay,
Otherwise, you
okay.
can imagine a fictionary
Okay.
novel
Yeah,
where
okay,
your
thank
vehicle starts reading. You know, today we have the robots reading. So
Yeah.
you can
Yeah.
have
Oh,
buses
Hobby.
reading.
yeah,
Hobby
that's what I
will
was little confused. Yeah, thank you.
It is just to learn the usage, Bhagini. So
Okay.
yeah. So for us to start, from a easier place, I said we will forget the dvivachanam for the time being, because many other languages don't have this concept. So to make our life simple to start with, we will go into speaking with that once we are comfortable with the basics. So avoid using tvam or the gachataha, gachavaha, etc. for this activity. Okay. So that's why I've given dotted lines for these two. So we will go ahead with bahuvachanam directly. So when you're not using the dvivachanam there, you can't use the dvivachanam in the noun form also. So I have strike the balau, male and kanduke for the time being. Okay. So we will go into bahuvachanam directly. So instead of balakaha, you will now substitute with balakaha. Similarly, instead of gachati, you will use gachanti with the verbs. And you can form sentences similarly, just the way you did earlier. So what will happen now? You will have balakaha gachanti, ete gachanti, ete upavishanti, so on and so forth, right? Anu Agarwal Bhagini, can you do it for the first part?
Yeah. Balakaha gachanti, ete gachanti, te gachanti, ke gachanti, bhavantaha gachanti. Balikaah gachanti, eta gachanti, ta gachanti, ka gachanti, bhavatyah gachanti.
So here, just the Sanskrit pronunciation, etaha, you will explicitly say that. In Hindi, we don't do that. In Sanskritam, etaha, taha, kaha. So that ha sounds in Sanskrit. That's only. Similarly, tat, instead of tat, you will use tani gachanti, etani gachanti, vahanani gachanti. Prashnaha, kani gachanti, kani gachanti. Okay. Aham gachami will become vayam gachamaha. Vayam gachamaha. Okay, is this concept clear to everybody?
Yes.
Lakshmi Bhagini, can you use kadati? How will that entire thing change? You're muted, Lakshmi Bhagini.
Balakaha khadanti, ete khadanti, te khadanti, ke khadanti, bhavantyah khadanti, balikaha khadanti, etaha khadanti, taha khadanti, kaha khadanti, bhavatyah खादन्ति, तानि खादन्ति, एतानि खादन्ति, वाहनानि खादन्ति, कानि खादन्ति.
Vayam?
वयं खादामः.
Vayam kadamaha. Vayam kadamaha. Vahanani kadanti. Cars have petrol, right? So,
Yes.
Vahanani kadanti. Uttamam. Kavita Modi Bagni. So, can you substitute Kridati? Kridati.
बालकाः क्रीडन्ति, एषः क्रीडन्ति,
No, ete kridanti.
एते क्रीडन्ति, ते क्रीडन्ति, के क्रीडन्ति, भवन्तः क्रीडन्ति. बालिकाः क्रीडन्ति, एताः क्रीडन्ति, ताः क्रीडन्ति, काः क्रीडन्ति, भवत्यः क्रीडन्ति.
Uttamam. Tani?
तानि क्रीडन्तानि, no,
Kridanti.
तानि क्रीडन्ति, एतानि क्रीडन्ति, वाहनानि क्रीडन्ति, कानि क्रीडन्ति, वयं क्रीडामः.
Uttamam. Uttamam. So everybody understands the concept. So you can create that many more sentences because now you have the plural also included in the verbs. And look at your pamphlet that you have printed out the other day, and also your Pravesha book for the list of verbs, so that you can enhance the number of sentences that you have. Now going ahead, you can also substitute instead of balakaha all the possible pullinga padam, right? So balakaha, yuvakaha, purushaha, gayakaha, nartakaha, etc., etc. you can substitute. So Sujata Shankar Bagini, can you substitute gayakaha? I think Sujata Shankar Bagini is muted. Asha Bagini, can you substitute gayakaha?
Gayakaha with
Instead of
words,
balakaha and balakaha.
Okay.
The screen has disappeared, sorry.
Oh.
Okay, Sujata's back. Sujata's back.
It's there only.
It's there.
Screen is there.
Come back now. Sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry, which one do I do?
I said use gayakaha in the place of balakaha, balika, etc.
Gayakaha gacchati, eshaha gacchati, saha gacchati, kaha gacchati.
Gayakaha gacchati. I think your network is not okay, Sujata Bagini. Asha Bagini, you can take over. I think Sujata Bagini's network is not okay today.
Astu Bagini. Gayakaha gachanti, ete gachanti.
Sujata Shankar Bagini, you can mute it. I think it has a lot of disturbance.
Maybe you should mute it for her.
No, it's not going there. I'm trying to mute it, but it's not muted. Okay. Yeah, Asha Bagini. Asha Bagini, go ahead.
Gayakaha gachanti, ete gachanti, te gachanti, ke gachanti, gayakaha gachanti.
Similarly, instead of balika, use gayika.
Gayika gacchati, esha gacchati, sa gacchati, ka gacchati, gayika gacchati. Gayikaha gacchati, etaha gacchati. Gayikaha gacchati. Oh, gayikaha gachanti. Kamyatam. Gayikaha gachanti. Etaha gachanti, taha gachanti, kaha gachanti, gayikaha gachanti.
Avagachanti kalu. So you can substitute each of these words in the plural form also and practice. So you don't have to repeat everything now, just these 4 things. In the place of balakah, gayakah, gayakaha, balika, gayika, balikaha, gayikaha. So just that part you can substitute and say these 4 things now. Sujata Mundra Bhagini, can you try nartakaha?
नर्तकः गच्छति, एषः गच्छति, सः गच्छति, कः गच्छति, नर्तकः गच्छति.
Okay. So instead of nartakah gachati, substitute it with an appropriate verb now.
नर्तकः
Nartayati.
नर्तयति.
नृत्यति.
नृत्यति.
Nrityati. Or nartanam karoti.
नर्तय करोति.
Nartanam karoti, yeah.
So नर्तकः नर्तकः करोति.
Nartanam karoti.
नर्तनं.
एषः नर्तनं करोति. सः नर्तनं करोति. कः नर्तनं करोति. नर्तकः नर्तकं करोति.
Nartakah nartanam karoti or nrityati.
Nrityam. Can we say nrityam also?
Yes,
nrityam is easier. Nrityam karoti.
Nrityam karoti. Oh, basically, you will try to substitute both the noun and the verb. For example,
We can say nrityanti.
Yeah, nrityanti. Or you can say gayakaha gayanti. Gayakaha gayati, gayakaha gayanti. So instead of gachanti, you can say gayanti. So now let's see. So instead of balakaha, we will substitute it with chatraha. Instead of gachati, let us substitute it with vadati. Okay, patati, let's substitute. Kala Bhagini, want to try?
छात्रः पठति, एषः पठति, सः पठति, कः पठति, छात्रः पठति.
छात्राः
पठन्ति, एते पठन्ति, ते पठन्ति, के पठन्ति, छात्राः पठन्ति.
So you get this concept, right? So you can substitute the noun on one side, the verb on one side, and practice. So let us go into Strilingam now.
What is the verb for teaching? Shikshakaha?
Patayati.
Patheti.
Patheti is read, patayati is teach.
Thank you.
Okay. So let us go into the Strilingam, Akaranta Strilingam and Ikaranta Strilingam. So instead of balika, you can substitute shatika, petika, gulika, stalika, mala, etc., etc., etc. Okay. So let us try this. Which one can we try? Patrika. Okay. Let's try patrika. Patrika.
What will be the verb for patrika?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I want.
We can go for pushpam.
No, pushpam is Pusakalingam. Let us try something very simple. Gulika. Okay.
Gayika.
Gayika.
Patrika can kadati pibati. It's not wrong.
Okay.
Gayika gayati.
Patrika patati.
Okay.
What is gulika?
Let's do mala. Let's do mala. Gulika is tablet. Okay, mala.
We do patrika only. Otherwise, we won't learn what to do with patrika.
Yeah, we'll do patrika after this. Let's do mala. So mala, instead of balika, try mala. Mala gachati. Mala can be a name of a person also. It could be a person. So Sita, Mala, Rama, etc. we can use. So balika gachati. Mala gachati. Malaha gachanti. So that will be a very straightforward thing. Mala patati, malaha patanti. So you can use phrases like that. Similarly, if you take a Strilinga thing, kupi, kupi, jalakupi, gati, darvi, suchi. Suchi is like a needle. Anguli, anguli is like a finger. Duravani is the mobile. So let's take Duravani, for example. Duravani asti. Duravani vadati. Duravanyah vadanti. Nadi pravahati. Nadyah pravahanti. So on and so forth we will use. Okay. So you can substitute these words with the appropriate verbs. You can look for the right verbs from your Pravesha book. It gives you a lot of verbs with examples. So compile your own database and create small sentences using this. Okay. So Patrika Anubhagini, we read from the Patrika. So just for practice, you can say Patrika Gachati, Patrika Agachati and all that. Vastutah idanantanakale online madhye Patrika Agachati.
No, but we can make reading what do we can use the word read, no, Bhagini. So
in that case, it will be I read the Patrika, right? So
yeah,
Aham Patrikam Patami. That will become a different.
Okay, so Pathiti. So we can use Pathiti for Patrika for the time being, as you said.
No, I said you can use Agachati. You can practice, but Agachati will be meaningful because online Patrika Agachati.
Agachati. Mostly we get the magazine.
Yeah, we get the
Agachati.
Okay.
Okay. So let's go ahead. Similarly, you can substitute all the verbs for Napumsaka Lingam also. So here, Gachati, Etad Gachati is there, right? So similarly, you can substitute all that with Pustakam. So how will you do that? For example, let us say Kandukam. Kandukam is ball. Okay. So what will the phrase be here? Kandukam Gachati. Kandukani Gachanti. Kim Gachati? Kim Gachanti? Kani Gachanti? So you
Kandukani Gachanti. Kandukani Gachanti.
Kandukani Gachanti.
Kandukani Gachanti. Correct.
Okay, so now you will start asking the questions. I'll take 5 more minutes and we'll wrap up. So, so you will now start asking questions. Kim Gachati? Kandukam Gachati. Kani Gachanti? Kandukani Gachanti. Okay, so start asking questions. You will start getting answers. So instead of Kim, if you ask Ka Gachati? Mala Gachati. Kaha Gachanti? Malaha Gachanti. Okay.
Etani Upavishati.
Now Kaha Gachati? Balakaha Gachati. Kaha Gachanti? Balakaha Gachanti. So you can ask each of these questions. Now Kutra Gachati? Vidyalayam Gachati. Kaha Vidyalayam Gachati? Balakaha Vidyalayam Gachati. Balakaha Kutra Gachati? Balakaha Vidyalayam Gachati. Balakaha Kutra Gachanti? Balakaha Vidyalayam Gachanti. So you can use singular and plural for each of this question, thereby enhancing your number of answers. So let us try Kati. Vidyalaye Kati Chatraha Santi?
Vidyalaye Chatraha Santi.
Kati Chatraha Santi? How many?
Vidyalaye Vimshati Chatraha Santi.
Vidyalaye Vimshati Chatraha Santi. Vimshati Chatraha Santi.
Now pandemic Vitre Chatraha Santi.
Etad Bhojanalaye Kati Janaha Santi?
Bhojanalaye
Dwadash Janaha.
Dvadasha Janaha Santi. Vimshati Janaha Santi. Panchashat Janaha Santi. Shata Janaha Santi. Bahuni Janaha Santi. Bahuni Janaha Santi. So similarly, you can try asking questions and try doing answers. So Kada idanim Chalanachitram asti movie. Samayaha Kada. What is the latest movie? Karna. So Karna Chitram Kada Bhavati Samayaha. So you can say this time you will have that Chitram Kada. So Bhavati Kada Patati, Bhavati Kada Likati, Agrima Vargaha Kada. So all these questions we can use for Kada. We can keep giving answers. So try it for all the genders possibly, so that you will be able to give a lot more answers.
Agrim Vargaha Shwa.
Shwaha. Shwaha bhavati.
Shwaha.
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 Katam चलनचित्रं कथम् आसीत् राज महोदयः रिव्यू लिखति राज महोदयः रिव्यू लिखति चलनचित्रं कथम् आसीत् इति रिव्यू लिखति किमर्थं तो अहं किमर्थं भोजनालयं गच्छामि अहं भोजनं स्वीकर्तुं भोजनालयं गच्छामि
भोजनप्रिया
अहं शुधा शान्तार्थं भोजनालये गच्छामि
So basically what I would recommend you all do is take these questions, take the list of Kriya Padas, keep creating as many sentences as possible. Now we have what, 3 or 4 teams on the whole in our group? Do we have 3 teams or 4 teams? 4 teams are there. So just get into your groups and each group can come up with at least 4 questions.
Yes.
So using these combinations, come up with 4 questions. If you have doubts, we can discuss that tomorrow. Okay. So tomorrow I will try to complete the 3rd chapter. I wanted to do it today, but I think this was very important that you all get a hang of this chart so that you can practice it independently. All right. So try to make 4 sentences with this chart. Take a photograph of this chart and enhance it. Use this as a base because today we've learned only singular and plural of the Prathama Vibhakti. We will keep adding on to this list, right? So you can keep enhancing this chart as we progress. Fine?
Vayam Gane Prashnadam Prashna Karomaha.
Ravina, sorry to interrupt. I have to go now. Are we doing anything new?
No, we are wrapping up now.
Okay.
Our group is making questions in Sanskrit. So am I right?
Asmakam Ganaha Samskrite Prashnan Likati.
Asmakam
Ganaha.
Asmakam Ganaha.
Uttamam. Tarhi.
Not Vayam, Asmakam.
Vayam, we write. Vayam Likamaha is simple.
Okay.
You said our Gana and all that. So I just. So
Asmakam.
Asmakam.
Vayam Likamaha is easy also. Yeah. Astu. Tarhi, etat kinchit prayatnam karotu. Please practice this today. And if you have questions, you can ask that tomorrow. Tarhi Shwaha Punaha Milamaha. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha.
Punarmilamaha.
Dhanyavadaha.
Shwaha Milamaha.
Shwaha Milamaha. Shwaha
Milamaha.
Punarmilamaha.
Sujata Bhagini, your line was not clear today, so sorry.
I think so, yeah.
Clarity was
I'm
not.
sorry. இப்போ சரியா இருக்கு.
இப்போ clear இருக்கு.
அந்த நேரத்துக்கு it was gone. Thanks. I spoke to Nina. இந்த சமர்ப்பணம் அந்த இதுல I said to be excused and I'll join. She said every month they're going to have.
Yeah, that's what we are planning. Adnala Pakla, you take your time, Bhagini, not an issue. Anyway, you're part of us. So whenever you want to.
Thank you for understanding. Thank you so much.
Take care, Bhagini.
Yeah, bye.